Hi everyone, here I've got a NOKIA G10 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways. We can do it directly using our contact list, or we can do it using the dialer settings. Of course I'll show both options. So let's begin with our contacts. Let's enter them and find the contact you would like to block. Let's tap on it and choose this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got the option block numbers, and after tapping on it, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. If you want to, you can report it as a spam. I don't want to, so I unticked this option and tap on block. And as you can see, from this moment this number is blocked. So as it was set, you won't receive actually any calls or text messages. Obviously you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon, but let me leave it like this because we will check if it actually appeared on the blacklist. So that was the very first way to block a number using your contact list. And now the second way, and here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see here, we've got a whole blacklist. This is the number we just blocked from our contacts, so it worked perfectly fine. What's more, we can tap on unknown option, activate it just by tapping on the switcher, so it means that from now on your device will block calls from unidentified callers. Obviously you can tap on add a number, and here we've got the second way to block a number, so we can enter it manually. So it means that you do not have to save it on your contact list, you have to just enter it here and tap on block. And as you can see, the same situation, it immediately appears on our blacklist, so it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from both of those numbers. Obviously you can unblock them just by tapping on this X button right next to it and confirming it with unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your NOKIA G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.